So hello everyone. Today we are gonna be learning volcanoes. It's an interesting topic, so let's start. So guys, volcanoes are cracks in the earth's crust out of which magma comes out. This magma comes through the mantle of the earth and reaches the crust through cracks. Volcanoes are usually found in the form of conical mountains. A lot of pressure builds the underground to pushes up the magma. The magma rushes upward through the vertical tunnel called vent and fills a hollow opening called crater at the top. The magma bursts out of a crater, bringing along with it hot gases, dust, and ashes. When the magma reaches the earth's surface, it is called lava. As the lava cools, it solidifies and forms rock. According to the frequency of the eruption, volcanoes are divided into three types: active, dormant, and extinct volcanoes. Active volcanoes are those that may erupt at any time or have erupted in the recent past. Many active volcanoes are found around the Pacific Ocean, giving the rise to the name Pacific Ring of Fire. So guys, in our next video we will learn about the earthquakes. Till then, take care everyone and bye bye.